Hey, Jeff.
What's up, you guys?
Not much. What do you think?
This place is huge.
I know.
Let's take a look inside and see what you guys want.
Okay. I have the key.
It has like a really grand entrance.
Yeah, I know. This could actually be a high-end home. Oh, no. This is a terrible entry.
You walk right into a brick wall.
Oh, this is solid, too.
Solid brick.
What's
all the
behind-
way up.
What's behind this? There's the living room. Oh, look at the yard.
Jeez, it's huge.
Look at the views.
The mountain view is so pretty.
No, you have city lights over there, too.
Oh, wow.
I mean, this is it. Look at that.
Yeah, the view's insane.
So actually, Jeff, the idea for this house is to deck out the backyard. We're talking about maybe putting a pool, spa, patio, fire pit. So because we're planning on spending a lot of money on the outside, we're trying to keep the inside to a minimum.
All right, so let me know what you guys want to do in here.
Well, for starters, we can get rid of that brick wall in the entry.
You think this thing's load bearing?
Yeah, it carries load.
How much would it be to remove it?
$5 grand, maybe?
Just here. See, that's the thing though. If this was gone, you'd
Yeah,
step
you see
down
the yard.
in the living room and bam, right to the pool.
Because then you'd walk in the house and you'd see like the view.
Yeah.
I feel like we keep other things cheaper, but do that.
Knock that out.
Just think about it.
The house itself, I'm actually shocked because the inside of the house is pretty nice. It has
Cool.
dual pane windows and sliders. The fireplace is in great shape. And I like all the arches. It feels like, yeah, like a Spanish style, hacienda style house. I mean, it's fairly big, but unfortunately it's blocked off. But if we're gonna do that yard, the existing floor plan would have to
The
stay.
main thing in here, once these cabinets go down, I feel like it'll be more open, but it's just like awkward.
This kitchen isn't like, super expensive. What are you thinking about, 8 to 10,000?
It's a pretty big kitchen, so you're probably running around 8.
Around 8,000.
Yeah.
Oh, weird. Very, very narrow.
At 2,500 square feet, this house is really big, but the layout is kind of interesting. It's an L shape with 2 hallways. Off of one hallway is the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, and a bedroom with a half bath. And on the other side, there are 3 remaining bedrooms and baths.
Bedroom number 1 with a half bath. Huge bedroom though. Let's go to the left. Here's a bedroom. Oh, it's huge.
Okay, so this is bedroom 2, a huge secondary
awful.
bathroom.
Shower's tiny.
Okay, so what do you think to do a full gut in here? I mean, pretty much strip everything and rebuild it.
Probably about 7,000 to 8,000. Well, here's bed 3.
Okay, so this is just a normal bedroom. This is a huge bathroom.
Oh, wow.
So makeup area, dual vanity, shower, toilet.
So this one's a little bit bigger, maybe 8,500.
Okay, that's not bad.
Here's a 4th bedroom. Look at the view.
If this was the master, look at this.
Oh,
I mean, that's
yeah.
where the pool would be. Wow, this is like,
The yard is gigantic.
This is huge.
This is really nice.
golf course.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Your dream come true.
Uh-huh.
People pay so much money to have the golf course view.
Yeah.
So the idea with this house is just to make it an awesome outdoor area.
Here's like the top things I want for sure. Fire pit, pool, spa, barbecue area, a covered outdoor kitchen type area. I mean, that would be really nice. That would provide like full indoor-outdoor living.
Okay, that makes sense.
Your landscaping is gonna be expensive, man.
What do you think it's gonna run?
We're probably only looking about 50,000 on the inside. Now, outside, all this work's gonna be about $150,000.
After only a few days, the seller countered our offer at $450,000 and we accepted. Now it's time to break down some walls and take advantage of these views.
Such a difference.
Oh my gosh, you walk in now, you can see the entire house, and the French doors that you wanted to put in, spectacular. All right, Chris, so what do you got for us?
I'm really excited to see it.
So we've got our tropical pool with curved lines and an elevated spa.
That's really cool, look at that.
On one end, a traditional step entry with a shallow end, and then have the deep end in the middle with maybe some sleeves for a volleyball net.
Oh, wow.
And then on the other end, do a Baja ledge.
That's really neat.
So basically, it's the perfect family pool.
That's the idea.
That's awesome.
This is sort of your eating area, okay, your entertaining area. Got our whole outdoor kitchen area. You can see we've got this curved countertop here. We've got our lattice patio. As we move over towards where we're standing now, we've got a nice concrete patio. We can do some really nice design cuts and do a modern concrete. Furthest part of the lot, we've got the fire pit.
Looks spectacular, right? You like the design?
Yeah, I love it.
And $1 million question, how much is it gonna cost?
I can do this design for $150,000.
Looks like we're doing it.
All right, sounds good.
Let's get started. With the exterior of the house being like so super traditional Spanish, I had Jeff pull some samples that are very, traditional darks, travertines. I really like this for the kitchen flooring and for the bathroom, so keep it really consistent. And then especially with these dark cabinets for the kitchen, I think a light flooring will really pop. And then I think real wood here, a super dark, distressed, really traditional would look beautiful. And then I was thinking we do like a light, taupey beige wall, and then we could stain these beams dark to match the wood, which would be really pretty.
I think if we're gonna go with the wood, we run it into the bedrooms, it'll make the house feel bigger.
All right, real wood throughout, except for the kitchen and that dining room in the kitchen, travertine. This house is really coming together. The ceiling beams are really bringing out the Spanish style, the bathrooms are totally high-end, and the floors look gorgeous. I'm so glad we spent the money on them. Now we just have to put the finishing touches on the backyard. And to kick this entertainer space up a notch, we decided to add a bocce ball court.
We have to come up with a list price. We paid $450 for the house, and we put $213,000 into it, so after closing costs, our break-even's around $700. The comps are in the mid to high sixes.
Uh-oh.
It's a tight one.
Well, that's not good.
So my thought would be, we can list at $729,900.
There's no way that those comps have a yard even close to this. I mean, based on everything we did on the inside and outside, I think we could list for $749,000 and we get multiple offers.
Really?
Yes, really. It looks like a hotel. It looks amazing.
I don't know, that price just seems high to me.
Here's the deal. You wanna play a game? If I win, $749,900. If you win, $729,900.
Game on. Oh, jeez. All right, so this is the final throw. I'm beating you right now.
Barely.
You're not gonna beat me.
All right, this one's for all the money. I won, $749,900.
I let you win because I agree with your price.
You would never let me win.
$749,900.
Yep.
So the outside actually came out Spanish style, right?
Yeah, the landscaping's perfect for this style of house. I think the paint looks awesome, matches with the roof. It's a super cute house.
Grand entrance.
It's grand.
The fireplace, the tile you chose looks spectacular.
The one that you didn't want to go with?
I wanted to go with it. I was just, testing you.
I'm glad you like it. It does look really good.
All right, let's go look at this yard, huh, honey?
Oh my gosh. It's like literally perfect.
It used to be dirt back here.
This is the perfect hangout yard ever.
Yeah, you got bar area, dining area, hangout area, and fire pit area.
It
And
is
pool lounges.
Yeah, you could literally have a party back here with like 100 people. The perfect family house. Like there is definitely an area for everyone. This right here at night, sitting by the fire, the glass of wine, sold.
Came out really nice.
I love the kitchen.
Love the countertops, love the colors.
They did a phenomenal job.
I really like the Spanish style they brought through the house. And I mean, it's Spanish but modern.
I agree.
Really like it.
Like the
Very
tile
nice.
in the shower.
Dual sinks, very nice.
Is that a bocce ball court?
Oh, wow, it is.
Wow, it's even better from out here.
Wow, it's like full-on resort back here.
You don't see views like this very often in this area. And when you do, you got to snap them up.
It's
Pool is awesome, especially for a hot day like today.
You know, brand new fence and the property line goes all the way down to the golf course. I like that. It's beautiful.
Perfect for entertaining. Look at that. Have some barbecues out here. Go swimming.
You know, they really brought the design all the way through.
They did. It's the same tile all throughout the bar and the pool.
It's awesome.
It's an entertainer's dream. I love it.
Would you guys want to live here?
I want to stay here with Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
After a few weeks on the market, we weren't getting any hits, so we dropped the price to $699,000, and it sold, leaving us with just over $10,000 in profit. It's a lot less than we hoped for, but we had so much fun transforming this backyard, it was worth it. Time to find another house to flip.